This station is Stepford East.
St Helens Bridge.
This train is for
Ellesmere
Morganstown.
Pond, Ellesmere Junction.
The next station
Verily,
will be
East
High
Verily,
Street.
Ewley Park, and Morganstown.
This
Due
is
to a short platform,
Stepford
passengers
East.
for Your attention, please. The 0729 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to for the 0716 Stepford Connect service to Beachley,
Stepford East.
calling at Stepford Central
train is for
and
Beachley.
Beachley.
The next
This
station
train is formed of 5 coaches. The train now approaching platform 5 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect.
Hargate, Waterloo,
This train is for
Rocket Parade,
Inn by the Sea.
Leighton, Stepford
The
Road,
next station
Leighton
is
City,
St Helens
Edgemead, Faymere, Wester Coast, Millcastle, West Wyvern,
This is a
Starry
metro
Lock,
service.
North Shore, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Faymere, Wester Coast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform C.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to
Is formed
St
of
Helens
5
Bridge.
coaches.